guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Lucky March. Aren't my glasses cool? Watch my glasses. March is your lucky month. You know why? Because we have an amazing starter kit just for you. Starter kit consists of 3 bags that you're going to get with products in it. Stay tuned, and I'm going to tell you about a bonus that you could get if you're one of the first ones to sign up. The first bag you're going to get is a bag that says Pampering For Me. They're for you. They are products for you. Now don't worry, you're going to get the pretty pink bags. These are old bags. You're going to get the pretty new ones. These products are designed for you to do, well, pamper you. This hand cream, did you know it could be pampering? This is a bright citrus hand cream. You just take a little bit, just a dot, not a lot. That's my rule. Put it on, you rub it in, you huff it, you become a huffer, and you just love it. Look at how nice that is. And that's pampering, and it only takes a few seconds. I'm going to get a soap. Now this month's particular one is Feel Better Soon. This one is absolutely fabulous because it's lavender, so it soothes you, it calms you down. If you have small children, you're going to want to lather them a lot with this. And it's not going to leave you with a greasy feeling because we don't put tallow in our soaps. We're glycerin based, we're amazing, and it's even going to leave you a little squeaky clean. You're going to get a body moisturizer. This one is super cool. Have you heard of Korean skincare? Korean skincare is all the rage. This is a gel to water moisturizer. It goes on gel-like, and then it spreads almost like a water. Plus, we've put prickly pear in it. Prickly pears have this amazing ability to absorb the water and keep it hydrated. For cactuses, we've put that and aloe vera in this, so this is gonna hydrate your skin. And after this winter, I need a lot of hydrating. You're gonna get one of our fizzy bath bombs. These, well, they fizz. And this one happens to be lavender. Once again, relax, take some time for yourself, or, you know, dose your kids. You're also gonna get the Purifier Skin Stick. This thing is like a godsend because it helps with oil control, it helps with acne because it's got fabulous tea tree in it and eucalyptus, and some people even use it to keep mosquitoes off. Not me, because I could put on DEET and the mosquitoes love me. I produce a lot of carbon dioxide, and that's what they're attracted to. Didn't know you're gonna get some science with this, did you? The last thing you're gonna get to pamper you is an exclusive mask. Now it comes in a tube now. This is an old version. What can I say? I have a lot of old versions. You can see how pretty and pink that is. This is a clay-based mask that's going to take everything out of your pores. It smells almost like cherries and is absolutely amazing. And you can't buy this. You can only get this by becoming a Perfectly Posh consultant. In fact, I've had to do some wheeling and dealing to get a couple of these from people that don't like them. I can't believe they don't like them. The next bag you're gonna get, once again, is gonna be pink, is products for your business. These are also full-size products that you can use, or you can sample out, or you can take to a girls' night, or you can share with your friends, anything you want to do with it. But it's for you to use for your business. You're going to get the moisturizing 24 karat mask. This is fabulous to go after the ritual. You know, the pink one I showed you before, because it's super moisturizing. It has a lot of beta carotene in it. It's going to brighten up your face. It's going to moisturize. Your complexion will love this. Who said you can't put carrots on your face too instead of just eating them? You're going to get the Healer Skin Stick. This is our #1 selling skin stick. This is like poof, magic stick because this can take care of cuts, scratches, really dry skin. It can take care of, you know, those little hangnails, tattoos, a baby's butt, your lips. Not in that order, people. But it's absolutely fabulous. Only 6 ingredients. Smells like an orange dreamsicle. Absolutely delicious. And did I say magical? But it's not magically delicious. Next one you're gonna get is the Sleepy Sleep Stick. I like to call this one the Dear God, my child needs to go to bed stick. I rub this on her chest, on her feet, on her pulse points. It's lavender, it's soothing, it will tone her down, and eventually I'll hear. This is my dad's favorite soap, and it comes in this month's kit. This is a very clean smelling soap with a little bit of pumice, so a little bit of exfoliation. Funny story, it took my dad 4 years to even try anything, and he made fun of me for 4 years for doing this. And once he tried this, he called me up the next day and he said, Sarah, this soap is the shit. Can you get me some more? And I was like, totally. And you know, my dad doesn't cuss that often, so there you go. This will leave you just like the lavender one, squeaky clean. The guys love it, girls love it. Absolutely amazing. Get your hunk of chunk. You're gonna get our #1 selling face wash. Of course, you're gonna get it in the new tube. Did I mention I have some older products, older things? I just like older stuff. This has exfoliating sugar beads in it that are completely natural. Grapefruit, aloe, a whole bunch of other fabulous stuff that's good for your older skin. But my 13-year-old also uses this, so she loves it. It's lightly exfoliating, it's fabulous, #1 selling. You're gonna get our unscented Ain't That the Youth hand cream. Now this is a little different than the Sassy Uma one I showed you earlier. It is thicker and it's designed to help with the age spots on your hands. Your hands are one of the first things to show aging. I remember my grandmother's hands. You know, you get those little, you know, grandmother hands. Nobody wants grandmother hands. Next up, you're also gonna get the Dark. It's our exfoliating charcoal scrub. Filled with sugar and salt, it's gonna give you a nice exfoliation while the charcoal deep cleans your body. Now, I like to think it smells like The Rock, but that's my personal preference. If I were to be around him, I think he would smell like this. The very last full-size product you're gonna get is the stripper. Bow, chick, bow, bow. No, not that kind of stripper. This is a body mud mask. This is absolutely fabulous if you get chest knee, back knee. It's great for detoxing your pits. You'll smell less, produce less, you know, oils, get all the stuff out that shouldn't be in there. I make my kids do it for their smelly feet. It's soccer season. I'm gonna have to put it on the girls' feet. They take off their sneakers and their shoes in the car. Oh my gosh. Use it to get out bee venom. And if you decide to roll and poison ivy over the summer, I'm not sure why you would do that, but if you do, you can use this for that as well. Pull all those toxins out. I've even heard of people using it on splinters. Your last bag you're gonna get is samples. We're gonna get to why my samples are in here later, but you're gonna get samples of Ain't That the Youth. You're gonna get samples of 24 carats. You're gonna get samples of Gel Yes, which is the Korean skincare I mentioned, the gel to water moisturizer, and a couple other things this month. But wait, if you're one of the first 4,000 new consultants, you're gonna get this bonus product. This is legit, guys. This is the most amazing thing ever. When it first came out, I had to have it. Look! Can you see this? It's so big. Look, it's so big. This is a rolling portable, basically, office. It is a carry-on size suitcase. Has a handle, has wheels, and I think I better change the camera so I can show you everything. This is really heavy, guys. So let me show you this a little bit closer. Look, it has all these accordions in here. It has the things to keep your samples. Look, there's a Pinkies Up sample. I keep all my samples. There's 3 of them that come in here. And you can keep all your literature, all your business tools that you're gonna get, because you're gonna get some catalogs, you're gonna get some other business tools. And you can just look how there's a little pocket back there. Look at that. And this comes out. I don't know if you can see this. This comes out and you can turn it into a regular carry-on for your, when you go, a suitcase, when you go anywhere. Absolutely phenomenal. Whew. Had to take off my glasses so I could look through it to show you that suitcase. Isn't that amazing? You know it's amazing. You know you want it. You have to jump on right now and you have to become a consultant right now or you won't get it because it's limited. It's only the first 4,000 and I think as of today we're like at almost 1,000 new consultants this month and it's the 2nd day of March. So go below. The links are below. You can connect with me on social media. Go hit the link to join. You can ask me any questions. My email's down there as well. Please don't hesitate to give me a thumbs up, like my page, and drop me a comment. Thanks for watching, guys.